So welcome back, hackers, and today I'll be showing you something called magic hashes. So we see a picture of the magician and the password box, so that's what magic hashes are about. Alright, so I'm just gonna fill in the username box with the default admin, and then we're just gonna paste in an example MD5 magic hash. And that's it, we're in! So this time I'm gonna try a different magic hash. Alright, so I just pasted it in and boom, we're in! So I'm just gonna try 2 other passwords real quick, and yep, they all work. Alright, so now I'm gonna demo that just not any random password will work. As we can see, when we press submit, it's incorrect. So I'm just gonna demo that again to show you that not any random password will work. So now I'm gonna demo a more random looking password and to show you that it also works. And now I'm gonna show you a password whose MD5 hash starts with 00E and to show you that it also works. So taking a look at the source code of the website, we see that the form actually posts to verify.php. So I came over to verify.php and we see that the code actually compares the MD5 hash of the password to the set MD5 and checks that the username is admin. So what has actually happened is that the 0E in this set MD5 and all the digits after it make PHP treat the whole string as a float. Essentially, if the input PHP hash, the MD5 hash, starts with a 0E, it will always be equal to that set MD5 hash also starting with a 0E. This is what we call magic hashes. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Okay, bye.